So if you want to have a motorbike tools, what I recommend to you is the Stanley 68 piece tool set. So let's see what's inside this one. So as you can see, it's a 68 piece tools, all the stuff you need to fix your own bike. The good thing about this one is the locking mechanism. Forgot that I need to remove this. This is what's inside. So you have the sockets here, one-off drive. What I like Stanley is they're using a silicone rubber here so that it won't slip on your hand. They 5mm up to 32mm, and then of course you have a screwdriver, spanner, and the long one-half drive, more spanners, spark plug, and another one for a big spark plug, 1316. So these are all the things you need to fix your own motorcycle. So good choice. So Stanley. These are all-in-one toolbox.